Hi, I'm Terry Shamar, Church Relations for Operation Christmas Child in Grants Pass, Oregon. I'm here to talk with you today about a unique opportunity to spread the gospel to children throughout the world by sending a shoebox of love and hope. Each child is precious in God's sight. Jesus said, "Don't hinder the children to come to me." You can be a part of the Great Commission by picking up a shoebox at your local church or any of these locations. Bless these little ones and you will reap a great harvest. Have a wonderful Christmas and God bless you.